Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel. I am Parmesa with you to discuss chapter 9, and it is quite interesting. In last video I taught you about parallel and intersecting lines, and in this video I will discuss transversal and angle made by transversal and several other terms. Interior and exterior angles also try to discuss in this session. So keep watching MGSS YouTube channel. My dear students, in the last video you have just learned about parallel and intersecting lines. Two lines are said to be parallels if they do not intersect at any point, if they do not have a common point, or the distance between them are fixed. And just opposite in the case of intersecting lines. Two lines are said to be intersecting lines if they have a common point, if they intersect at a point, or the distance between them is not fixed, either increases or decreases. My dear, today I am going to discuss about the transversal. Before transversal, one more things that you have to learn in upper classes, whatever I am going to discuss regarding concurrent lines. Three or more lines, because two lines intersect, then it is known as intersecting. If suppose that three lines intersect at a point, when three or more lines meet at a point, then these lines are known as concurrent lines. And the point where these lines meet, then this meeting point of three lines is known as concurrent points. Understood? I will discuss concurrent lines in our classes. However, today I am going to discuss about the transversal. What is the meaning of transversal line? My dear, a line which intersect two different lines at two distinct points. Such line is known as transversal. Here you have to just see that L and M are two lines. The third line N which intersect line L and line M at two distinct points. One point is P and second one is Q. So it intersects L at P and M at Q. Since it intersects two lines at two different points, so it is known as transversal. It is known as transversal. And you can just see that several examples. It intersects, or it may be possible that, and you can just see that this is transversal, this one is transversal, this one is transversal, because it intersects two different lines at two distinct points. Such line is known as transversal. And when two lines is intersected by transversal, then actually eight different angles are formed. And if you try to name them, then you can just see that how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many angles are formed? Actually, 8 different angles. To make them clear, because you may be confused, I made a larger figure for you, because you are my lovely student. I have just drawn here L, M, two different lines. It is intersected by L at two distinct points P and Q, how many lines, how many angles are formed? You can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now I am going to discuss interior and exterior angles. Angles are of two types. Angles which is formed between two lines are known as interior angles, and which is outside of this line are known as exterior angles. Two lines, inside the two lines, you know very well that L and M. Inside L and M, all the lines, this part is known as, my dear, you know that this region is known as interior part of this region. And this is why angle formed inside these two lines are known as interior angles. And how many interior angles are formed? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. These all are known as interior angle. Interior angles. And what are exterior? Exterior rest of the angle, that you have to just see that all are exterior angles because it is formed outside of this line. Outside of this line means you can just see that all other parts except it, these parts, these all parts, you can just see that these all parts are exterior parts, exterior region, and this is why the angle formed in the exterior part is known as exterior angle. And you can just see that angle formed 1, 2 and 7 and 8. These all angles are known as exterior angle. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. You understand that? Quickly you have to revise. Transversal, the line which intersect two lines at two distinct points, then it is known as transversal. When two lines intersect by a transversal, then 8 different angles are formed, in which 4 angles are interior angles and 4 are exterior. Which angle which is formed inside or between two lines, that is known as, those angles are known as interior angles, and which is outside of these lines are known as exterior angles. In this figure you can just see that 1, 2, 7 and 8 in the outside or outer part of this line. This is why it is known as exterior angles, and 3, 4, 5 and 6 are known as interior angles. My dear students, here it has been given that a topic has been given in your book that measures of an angle made at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. And regarding equilateral triangle, you know very well that the triangle whose all sides and each angle are equal. You know that in this triangle AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, because equilateral triangles are equi means equal and lateral means having sides. The triangle whose all sides are equal, and it has also, by the property of equilateral triangle, you know very well that each angle is also equal. A is equal to B is equal to C. These two are characteristic of an equilateral triangle, and you have to utilize these characteristics. We know very well that let in equilateral triangle given equilateral triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, and we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, because you know very well that sum of all angles is equal in case of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. And now you can just put, suppose that you have to just say x degree. If its value is x degree, then you may write x degree is equal to 180 degree. 3x degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x degree is equal to 180 upon 3, and you may write 60 degree. Hence, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. And you can just say by this verification that each angle of an equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. And several times you have to utilize this information. So, hope you have to just understand transversal, angle formed by transversal, interior and exterior, and also angle made at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Thank you very much. Keep watching MGSS YouTube channel.